and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy, and today I'm in my home office and I just finished decorating for the Christmas season, and I'm using animal print this year. So if you'd like to see how it turned out, then just keep watching.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. About packing up today. Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere. Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me.
Thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button, the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you are already family, thank you so much for stopping back by. I appreciate you. And I hope that I see each and every one of you over here on my next video. I will be putting up tree number 3. Come on back. Bye-bye.